it's me. I was wondering if after all this you should not tell me to go over everything. They say that I'm supposed to heal you, but I don't much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how we felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and the millions. Hello from the other side. I must have thought 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but when I call you never seem to be home. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter really, doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you had. Did you ever make it out of the town where nothing really happened? It's no secret